Welcome back to King's Auto Garage. Today we have something super exciting here at our garage. Check this out. This is a Nissan 2007 model 350Z, a true icon for performance lovers. This beast came with a white finish, but we are going to give it a new personality. The customer has chosen a bold and unique color, the BMW C4G color. This is the prototype we have given to the customer for a reference. This is the prototype we have given to the customer for the reference. This color is called Isle of Man Green. Before paint touches the surface, we have to prepare every inches of panels. We start with the small but essential details, removing the factory logos and badges. Once off, they are sanded, prepared and painted in satin black to complement the car's future color scheme. Next, the body is sanded down thoroughly. Special attention is given to patch areas where dents or scratches need correction. This ensures we have a uniform, clean surface to build upon. Putty is applied to fill any imperfections or minor damage. Once dried, it's sanded smooth to blend with the original body lines. This step is key to getting a flawless paint finish later. Now we begin the disassembly. The front bumper comes off first, followed by the rear bumper. Then we carefully remove the tail lamps and headlamps. This gives us complete access to every surface, ensuring no edges are left untouched. With preparation complete, we move the 350Z into the boots for its first coat primer. This layer is crucial. It seals the surface, provides a grip for the paint and helps the final color pop. After the primer cures, we go in with a finer grit sanding to smooth out any texture and get the body perfectly ready for the base coat application. Before we begin color, we remove the doors and front bonnet. This allows us to paint every edge corner and inner panel for the factory level finish.
Back into the booth. We lay down a deep black base coat. This gives our green color depth and richness. Then it's time the custom green paint is sprayed layer by layer across the full body, doors and bonnet. The coverage is even vibrant and bold. Once the color coat is complete, we apply a high gloss clear coat to lock it in and protect it. After curing, a final round of wet sanding removes any surface imperfections, giving the car the glass smooth and mirror-like finish. Next up, wheels. We remove all four, prepare them properly and repaint them in matte black to match the car's new personality. It's a small touch with a huge impact. Under the hood, the engine base gets a deep clean. Dirt and greases are removed before we get it a fresh coat to match the rest of the build. Here it is, from a basic white coupe to a head-turning green monster. Every line, every detail refined by the team here at King's Auto Garage. The black accents, green bodywork, and attention to detail come together for one stunning transformation.
And here it is, 2007 model Nissan 350Z Reborn BMW C4G green color. A perfect mix of style, peak performance and personality. You see, same as the prototype. If you have a vision for your car or any restoration, we have got you covered. Visit us, King's Auto Garage.
Nothing